Here's Tozo S6 smartwatch. With AMOLED display, Bluetooth hands-free calling, health monitor, fitness activity tracker, dynamic dials, IP68 water resistant, 10 days of battery life in use and up to 30 days standby. Check the link down below for more info. Here's what you get in the box. Watch band instructions, user manual, magnetic charging cable, watch bands, the S6 smartwatch unit. The design is slim and sleek and not a bulky watch, feels high quality. It has a mic and speakers on the sides with two buttons, the function and exercise button. The sensors on the back. To attach the bands, insert one end first and then push the slider in to insert the other end. And release the pin so it fits into the hole and locks the band in place. Follow the reverse steps to remove the bands from the watch. To charge the watch, simply attach the magnetic charging cable to the magnetic port of the watch and plug the cable into your PC's USB port. Simple as that. Now go to the Play Store and download Tozo Health app. Once installed, open the app and follow the instructions. Just agree to all the terms and skip the login. Choose your language. Turn on and allow permissions, as well as Bluetooth for binding and pairing the app to your smartphone and the smartphone to your smartwatch. Now you're all set and enter the main page of the app and see all the options to customize your smartwatch. In the exercise mode, you have a ton of options to choose from depending on what exercise you are doing, and you can add even more from over 100 exercises to choose from. Within each option, you can track activities and set goals such as calories, distance, time, etc. Let's take a look at a few. The top button is a function button where you can enter the easy access menu. The strap also is designed to tuck underneath so it's clean and tidy and you don't have a strap flapping around. Some apps included are heart monitor, blood oxygen, stress level, and more. There are tons of dynamic dials you can choose from to customize your smartwatch face display. Go to the app to download more in many categories and styles. More apps like weather, daily and weekly forecast, calling, alarm, reminders, timer mode countdown, stopwatch, world clock, flashlight mode, and settings. To turn off the watch, long press the function button. To turn it back on, long press the function button. Also, be sure to check for firmware updates and install them to keep your watch running optimally with the latest upgrades. Languages include English, Spanish, Chinese, Japanese, French, German, Dutch, Portuguese, and Italian. Now let's control music on your smartphone from your watch. You can control volume, play, and pause. Move to the next song or go back to the previous. It's very convenient instead of always having to fiddle with your phone, especially if it's in your pocket or bag and you have to enter passwords and everything else. Just control it directly from your wrist. Likewise with phone calls, you can make calls from your watch as long as your phone is within Bluetooth range, and you can receive calls from your watch as well. It has a built-in mic and speaker so you can talk and listen hands-free.
Press 3 followed by the star key for English.
The phone locator is nice to have to help you find your phone if you've misplaced it and can't find it. If you're looking for a great budget smartwatch, then check out Tozo's S6, another great product at an affordable price point. It has all the bells and whistles, a beautiful AMOLED display which has faster refresh rates and deeper colors and contrast, with over 100 sports modes to track your activities, seamless calling and messages with its built-in mic and speaker, sleep monitor to record your sleeping patterns, health monitor, long battery life, and water and dust resistant, plus a whole host of useful tools. Got any questions? Ask in the comments. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, share, and subscribe to support my channel. And thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one.